At Grow, we provide our users a platform where they can explore various investment options like stocks, mutual funds, and invest without any hassles. Apart from mutual funds, our other key verticals include fixed deposits, stocks, and gold. We have evaluated close to 1 billion USD. We are headquartered at Bangalore with around close to 13 million customers across India. When we started out, we were looking for a technology partner who could help us scale and offer timely end-to-end support. We needed a service that could help us to get back on track within seconds if we ran into a problem. It's much like a Formula One car, right? It's getting fixed at pit stop. That's where the Lenovo fits into the bill as a technology partner. As a startup, it's difficult for the IT team to run a business and simultaneously provide customer support to our employees to resolve the issues. Trying to balance the two both impact each engineer and developer, thereby impacting our productivity. With its previous support, Lenovo offers a dedicated customer support service that's quick and accessible via both WhatsApp and an email. Just we only need to drop WhatsApp message and the Lenovo executive will assign a tickets to get it solved as soon as possible. You immediately have a team that will help you to solve the problems where you are experiencing. We had to scale up our procurement of IT hardware devices with the different configurations as per the user requirements. Being the Chief Information Security Officer and Head of IT, I also needed to ensure that these devices are deployed very securely. The amount of sensitive data that we deal with mandates that we consider security parameters like EDR, XDR, antivirus, and firewalls before choosing a solution. As we were quite satisfied with Lenovo services, we also avoid a SentinelOne license from them to enhance our services and security, especially for the developer working on the financial products. We choose SentinelOne not only because it's provides us antivirus and EDR solutions, but also because it can be integrated with our environment and customized. We do not have to worry about any malicious files being integrated into the systems that might compromise ours and our customers' data. Like most other organizations, COVID-19 forced us to start working remotely from 2020. Consequently, we started revamping our IT infrastructure as we don't have the usual control of our IT environment from our homes. We had to ensure that our employees received preloaded the laptops that were still able to work in a secure environment irrespective of their location. Lenovo was able to procure those laptops despite a crunch in the global supply chain and helped us continue to scale up. For us, Lenovo was never just another vendor. They were part of our organization where their team helped us to automate our scripting and deploy the solutions across the systems through continuous governance calls. Lenovo provides services and solutions that take care of the devices throughout their life cycles. Given how its lifecycle solutions have helped us stay agile till now, we know we can bank on them for any solving issues without any doubts. Lenovo enable us to stick to our mantra of giving our best to our customers while ensuring that our employees are satisfied with the growth, IT infrastructure, and security controls.